This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 15th, 2023. It's currently May 18th, 2023, 12:28 a.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file for the 15th of June was created on May 6th, 2023 at 11:04 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line that ends with a fast sudden move higher and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. Behavior around the highest high, 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, falsely confirming a bullish trend. Behavior around the lowest, though, we have bearish price swings or a sharp drop into the lowest low, standing out on a one-day chart. Volume overall will be pretty much bullish, and I'm advised to trade around a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time. Interesting enough, it was the same trade card we had from the prior day. We have a unicursal in here is important. And then we also have correlations to a lowest low. It's possible that we revisit a lowest low in here. Either that or it's just going to be a low that really stands out. Also the full card was foretold of as something important in the preceding reading, so there's a significant trade opportunity here. I think probably a big move to the there's a trade opportunity in there to open up a long it's a little difficult to determine which direction that is. Let me see here. Okay, so there's a decline between 10 and 2, notable decline, and that's kind of like unicursal energy, a sharp drop there. We have a big move to the upside between 2 and 4 out of that decline. Matter of fact, that big move higher, pushing the upper end of a range higher between roughly 2 and 4 is where we see this unicursal kind of price range. There's a crest or peak around 4:30, 4:45 a.m. That forms when we have a big move to the upside, and we have a high. We have a high for the day there between 4 and 6, followed by a decline between 6 and 8. Notable decline really standing out there between 6 and 8, taking us into. They're stacked on top of each other, guys. It's really difficult for me to determine if the high and the low are stacked on top of each other here, and it's really difficult for me to determine the order. My sense is that it's probably a low afterwards, and we move notably higher out of the low. No, from 6 to 8, actually, it's not notably higher. It's to the downside. We meet a key support level between 8 and 10, where we're doing sideways rotation along key support. We rise to meet the nearest resistance, and then we fall back down and continue rotating sideways. There's a low in there as well between the 10 and 12 o'clock hour. A lot of price change between 10 and 12. A lot of price change and an important resistance level that's highlighted there. Probably go from resistance to support there because we have a low, and then that's followed by a high correlation between 12 and 2 p.m. In the midst of bullish price swings. And then between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. we have either a holding pattern or a pop and drop. Looks like it's a pop and drop. An important resistance level on a one-day scale is highlighted there between 4 and 6, and we decline pretty notably from there, a halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline. Actually, it looks like there's like a little bit of like a crest there between 7 and 8 o'clock p.m. And we decline, like there's a halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support, taking us into another low there between 6 and 8. And then between 8 and 10 p.m. we rally to a key resistance level and then break down from there with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. Decline continues from 10 into midnight of the next morning. And the sneak preview for the following day, we're looking for a big move higher as one of the main key moments of the day. That's Ethereum for June 15th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Always the most important part of the channel, and a successful trade at Tarot for Traders includes following the rule of karma. We ask 5% of the profits be donated forward to one of these charities, 5% of the profits donated back to the channel through one of these links, and spend that 90% left over out of love. As long as you do that, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. Later.